It's still cold, but the early season sun does lift the temperature by a few degrees. That, however, can have unexpected, even dangerous consequences. The sea is heating faster than the land, pulling cold air from the middle of the continent towards the coast. These katabatic winds are stronger than any hurricane. They are the coldest and the most ferocious on the planet. The storms catch many new arrivals by surprise, and are the reason that spring here is, in fact, the deadliest season. Here, early birds take a great risk. Some years, entire colonies are lost, buried beneath the snow. The survivors of this storm must hope that the females prove to be worth the wait when they finally decide to turn up.